Hmm. Normally I could do it overnight, but I don't have that time right now. So I'm just going to let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour and then come back, fry the curry and the garlic in the oil and put this in it and then fry for a little bit and then pressure it. So fry it up a little bit first before I add the water and cover it and allow it to pressure for about 45 minutes. That's to my liking. It's just to help give it a bit of flavor. I just use a small amount, not a lot, because I don't want to kill the curry. And as I said, guys, this is how I like it. It's going to help the gravy to just be perfect. I'm going to leave that for a little while. Then I'm going to add a few pieces of, well, some pumpkin and some onions. And that is about it. And we're almost done. Some pumpkin and onion. Just throw it in there. I'm gonna leave that, make it settle down for a little while, and that's basically it. We're almost through. Yes, we're finished. We're done. That's it. We're all done. It looks beautiful. So I'm going to eat one and then I'm going to leave this one for later. And I can ensure you that this tastes very, very good. I'm going to see if I can test it. But I'm so tired. I'm not feeling my best. So I'm not looking my best, but I'll still try and test it. So hey guys, I'm going to taste it for you. Sorry I look a mess. I'm not feeling well, but I'm going to taste it as what I normally would do. Been working all day and I'm extremely tired. So let's go. No, it tastes good. It really tastes good. Not because I me cook it. It tastes good. Mm. Mm. This is really good, guys. Really, really good. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you stay till the end, if you're not already a subscriber, do subscribe and click the like button and leave me a comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.